Narrator, cheerful tone. One sunny morning on a busy farm, a clever cat named Milo was bragging again. Milo, proudly. I'm the fastest animal on this farm. Bolt, laughing. Fastest? You've got legs the size of my whiskers. Milo, smirking. Let's see who's faster, big guy, brains or brawn. Narrator, excited tone. The farmer shouted, ready, set, go, and the race took off. Bolt, running hard. Ha! You can't beat horsepower, kitty. Milo, from the fence. Who needs horsepower when you've got cat power? Narrator. Bolt thundered down the path while Milo danced across the fences. Narrator, funny tone. Halfway through, Bolt looked around, no sign of Milo. Bolt, confused. Where did that little furball go? Narrator. But sneaky Milo was hiding in a tree, ready for a surprise jump. Milo, whispering. Ha, brains over speed every time. Narrator, happy closing tone. In a flash, Milo leaped from the tree, landing right at the finish line. Bolt, shocked. What? How did you get there first? Milo, grinning. Easy. Shortcuts are a cat's secret weapon. Narrator, warmly. And from that day, Bolt and Milo raced every morning, one galloping, one jumping, and both laughing all the way. Cat face horse.